Welcome once again to Vintage King Motorsports. This is a vintage Homelite 360 automatic. This one's got a 16-inch bar. Chain's in nice shape. It will need sharpening. Let's fire it up, hear how it runs. Use the link below for additional information, pictures, or to buy this saw right now at a very affordable price. Don't wait, don't hesitate, guys. You know your wife's not going to approve it, so just pull the trigger, buy it now. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.